Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Rabbi wa tammim bil khair. So we are starting our today's session, and today we will discuss about the duals of verbs. And as already we discussed about the pronouns, duals and feminine, and before that we finished. So we have to start about the dual. Actually, dual is basically in Arabic language, especially there is singular, dual, and then we have the plural. So normally, for example, in English, we just add the both word and mostly it covers it. But in Arabic, there is specifically, we have to use about the dual. Dual mean two. So before doing the dual, we have to look at the normal case. What we do in the verb, it is about singular and plural. So now we have to add about the dual. In dual, normally we have to add alif. And when we have to do for the dual, we have to simplify the table because only singular, only in one case there is no single. We have to think about this, that there is not singular, not plural, only dual. So in this case, as we discussed before also, that in the first case we will take first one about the dual, then second person dual, and then first dual, first person. So first, second, and third person dual. Similarly here, so we have, this is third person, so we will take one, second person one, and then we will take from the first person dual. And similarly for amar and nahi, there will be only one order, it will be only for dual. Similarly here for the subject, only one dual, and maf'ul dual and masdar will remain same. So dual, as in Qur'an, because we are doing the let's understand Qur'an tools. So as we know that the most of the verbs, they are deal with masculine gender, and we take it as normal. Then in many cases, specifically in some surahs, it is related to feminine. That's why we just did practice about the feminine yesterday. And also most of, due to linguistic reason, some verbs or some objects or entities are taken as feminine. So that's why we do the feminine, and we did. And also in some cases there are duals. We discuss about the dual. So that's why it is very important. So for the dual, first madi fa'ala, they both did. This is for the first person dual. Now you have to switch over the second person because there is no singular or plural. We are just doing the dual. So there will be only three cases in madi and three cases in mudare. So this is fa'ala, they both did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Fa'alna, we both did. For we both did, and also for plural, that will remain same. Then we have the mudare yaf'alani. In singular case, yaf'alu. So here it will be yaf'alani. Second, taf'alani, naf'alu. And in amr, normal it is if'al and plural is if'alu, but amr will be if'ala. So you see that there is alif we normally add here. If'ala, la taf'ala. Fa'ilani, fa'ilaini. Maf'ulani, maf'ulaini. Fi'al. So this is about the dual. So let's start with so I would ask Anusha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Can you please start with here?
Okay, fa'ala, we both did. Fa'alatuma, you both did. Fa'alna, we both did.
Okay.
Yaf'alani, they both do, or they both will do. Taf'alani, you both do, or you both will do. Naf'alu, we both do, or we both will do. افعلا, you both do. لا تفعلا, you both don't do. فاعلان, both doers. فاعلين, same. مفعولان, مفعولين, both receivers of action. Verb.
Okay, so when we do it, we have to think about the pattern. For example, the fatha, it will remain same. When we go to the daraba, we have to think about the pattern about the daraba, that it is daraba yad ribu. So ra kasra will change here. So we have to follow the same pattern, zabar zabar, zabar zair, and zabar patient, whatever the case. Like here, Anusha, can you please fit here fataha? What is
Fatah.
fatah? Just fataha means
Fatah means he got victory, or
he
he
opened. He
he
opened.
opened or got victory.
He opened. Just take it normal
Yeah.
case. Fataha
Fatah.
means
Fatah means he got victory or he opened.
he opened. Take one word, just
Yeah,
one meaning.
opened.
Don't take it.
Opened.
Okay.
He opened.
Fataha, he opened. What about they both open?
Fataha.
Okay, just fit it here for the dual. First
Okay.
do in Arabic, and then in the second case we do the translation. Go ahead in Arabic.
Fataha. Fataha. فتحتما. فتحنا. يفتحان. تفتحان. نفتحان.
Naftahani.
Not نفتحان. No, نفته.
Naftahu. It is for normal case. We take as we, and also for both it will remain same as here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
افتحا. لا تفتحا. فاتحان. فاتحين. Yeah. مفتوحان. مفتوحين. فتح. فاتح.
There will remain same because
Yeah.
that is just a central word.
فتح.
Fathun. Okay.
Fath.
Can you please fit here? Ja'ala. Ja'ala means he made.
Okay. 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 جعل. جعلتما. جعلنا. يجعلان. تجعلان. نجعل. اجعل. لا تجعل. جاء. جاعلان. جاعلين. مجعولان. مجعولين.
If I take the word zahaba, zahaba means he went. If they both went, what it will be?
ذهبا. ذهبتما. ذهبنا. يذهبان. تذهبان. نذهب. اذهبا. لا تذهبا. ذاهبان. ذاهبين. مذهوبان. مذهوبين. ذهب.
And if we take the daraba, then we have to take care in mudare. Is it or not? Because the pattern is zabar zair.
Yeah.
Okay. Daraba yadribu. Yadribu means
Yadribu means he will open, or no, he opens or he will open.
yadribu. I use the word yadribu.
Oh, yadribu. Oh, he hit or he will hit.
Okay, yadribu, he hit or he will hit. What about they both hit?
Yadrubani.
What is the singular?
Singular for that.
Yeah. He hit or he will hit. You just did it.
Yeah. Yadribu.
Yadribu. You focus on the yadri. There is kasra. If his yadribu is singular, what is the dual?
Yadribani.
Yes. Yadribani. Then?
Tadribani. Nadribu.
Very good. Can you please start from here? Daraba.
Daraba. Darabtuma. Darabna. Yadribani. تجربان. ندرب. اضربا. لا تجربا. داربان. داربين. مدروبان. مدروبين. ضرب.
Very good, Anusha. You did it. MashaAllah. Thank you. So I would go to Farhan Bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, walaikum assalam, Farhan Bhai. We are doing the dual. And in dual, as I discussed in the beginning, we have three cases because for the third person, second person, and third person, first person dual. Similarly, so one case we will take. It is about dual. Can you please do first fa'ala?
Okay, fa'ala, fa'altuma, fa'alna, yaf'alani, taf'alani, naf'alu. And then amru would be if'ala, la taf'ala. Fa'ilani, fa'ilaini, maf'ulani, maf'ulaini, fail.
Fail. With translation, Farhan Bhai.
Okay, fa'ala, they both did. Fa'altuma, you both did. Fa'alna, we both did. Yaf'alani, they both do or they both will do. Taf'alani, you both do or you both will do. And naf'alu, we both do or we both will do. If'ala, you both do. La taf'ala, you both don't do. Fa'ilani, both doers. Fa'ilaini, both doers. Maf'ulani, those who receive the actions.
Action, yeah, both. On which
Both.
action has been done. Okay, maf'ulaini and
Fail.
fair. Can you please fit here? Ja'ala. Ja'ala means he made, and
Okay.
they both made. It will be
Ja'ala, ja'altuma, ja'alna, yaj'alani, taj'alani, naj'alu. Ij'ala, la taj'ala. Ja'ilani, ja'ilaini, maj'ulani, maj'ulaini, jail.
jail. Fataha. Fataha. Just fataha means.
Fatah means he opened.
Okay. If fataha means he opened, they both opened.
Fataha.
Fataha. Very good. Can you please fit here? Just Arabic.
Okay. Fataha, fatahtuma, fatahna, yaftahani, taftahani, naftahu. Iftaha, la taftaha. Fatihani, fatihaini, maftuhani, maftuhaini, fit.
Fat. Fat.
Fat. Fat,
Fatha.
sorry.
Yeah,
Fat.
because masdar there is no pattern. Every level, every chapter has different one. So this is their fataha yaftahu. When we do for other cases like daraba, so we have to we should be careful about this mudare because pattern is changed. Zabar 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 zer zabar. For example, daraba here it will be in normal case. What it will be? Yad. Yad. No, for singular.
Oh, daraba yadribu.
Yadribu. If yadribu is singular, what is dual?
Yadribani.
Yadribani. If it is here, it will be normal case. Singular will be
Tadribu.
tadribu, and the dual will be
Tadribani.
tadribani, and nadribu. This will same. Can you please fit here? Daraba.
Daraba, darabtuma, darabna. Yadribani, tadribani, nadribu. Idriba, la tadriba. Daribani, daribaini, madrubani, madrubaini, darb.
That. If we take nasara, you know nasara yansuru. Yansuru is singular.
Yeah.
What is the dual?
Yansurani.
Okay, go ahead and fit here. Just nasara means.
Nasara means he helped.
Okay, nasara.
They both helped.
Okay, fit it here, please.
Nasara, nasartuma, nasarna. Yansurani, tansurani, nansuru. Unsara.
Singular is unsur. So it will be unsura.
Unsura, la tansura. Nasir, so nasirani, nasiraini, mansurani, mansuraini, nasr.
Thank you very much. MashaAllah. So I would go to Tanjeen.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Tanjeen. Just fit here fataha. Just fataha means Tanjeen.
They Fataha, they both opened or got victory.
First, listen me carefully. I said fataha.
He opens.
He opened. And
I
they
mean,
both
he
opened. They both open.
Fataha.
Fataha. So this is, we have to be very careful here in stretching it. Just fataha, he opened. And if we say by
Fataha.
mistake even fataha, so the meaning will be changed. So go ahead and for the dual, do fataha.
Fataha. Fatahtuma. Fatahna. Yaftahani. Taftahani. Naftahu. Iftaha. La taftaha. Fatihani. Fatihaini. Muftuhani. Muftuhaini. Fitah.
Fathun.
Fatah.
Yeah. Okay. If you fit here daraba, you have to be careful in yadribu, yadribani, yadri. Okay. Go ahead with
Oh.
daraba.
Fataha.
Daraba.
Daraba. Darabtuma. Darabna. Yadribani. Tadribani. Nadribu. Idriba. La tadriba. Daribani. Daribaini. Madrubaini. Darb.
Thank you very much, Tanjin. So next, I would ask Ibrahim, qala, word qala. Qala means he said.
The translation.
First fit it here, Ibrahim. Qala.
قال قلتما قلنا يقولان تقولان نقول قولا لا تقولا قائلان قائلين مقولان مقولين قول.
Qaul. As we said that in Arabic, there is singular, dual, and plural. In English, normally we just use the word both and it covers everything. And like this in Surah Baqarah, you can see here in the story of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and his wife. So it is instructed to both of them. Like here, wakula minha ragadan haythu shi'tuma wala taqraba. You both don't go near. Hadhihi shajara fatakuna min az-zalimin. So this is about the dual, and there are many examples. See here, yasjudani, yasjudu, yasjudani. See here. Okay, Ibrahim, can you please fit here? Kana.
كان كنتما كنا يكونان تكونان نكون كونا لا تكونا كائنان كائنين مكونان مكونين كون.
Count. I would go to brother Javed Rasul.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Javed bhai. Qala mean he said. They both said, and complete the table, please.
Kala kultuma kulna yakulani takulani kulna.
Naqulu.
Oh, nakulu, sorry.
No problem.
Nakulu. Kula la takula kaulani
Qailani.
kaila.
No problem, Javed. Go ahead.
Sorry, which one is, sorry, I forgot that.
No. Qailani, qailaini.
Kailane kailaine makulane makulaine kaul.
So this is qula. Qail is singular, and the dual will be qailani, qailaini, maqulani, maqulaini. Okay. Kana means he was.
How the qala, the dual will be written is with the alif?
Qala, qaf.
No, the
Yeah,
the dual.
lam, alif. Just simple. This is qala, but you have to put alif at the end. Qala, like I think here it is now. Qala rabbana zulamna anfusana. They both said qala. That's why brother Javed stretch it. Qala. Okay, Javed bhai, kana.
Kana kuntuma kunna yakunane takunane
Nakunu.
Nakunu. Nakunu.
Because this will remain same for dual and plural.
Okay.
Singular is kun, and it will be kuna.
Kuna. Kuna. La takuna. Kainane. Kainaine. Makunane. Makunaine.
Count. Can you please do again? Kana.
Kana. Kuntuma. Kunna. Yakunani. Takunani. Nakunu.
Kun is singular.
Kuna.
Kun.
Kuna.
Yes.
La takuna. Kainane. Kainaine. Makunane. Makunaine. Count.
Count. Thank you. Brother Hamad, can you please fit here? Qala.
قال قلتما قلنا يقولان تقولان نقول قولا
The singular is qul. Say.
أو
So
أقولا
dual will be qula.
يقولا لا تقولا قائلان قائلين مقولان مقولين قول.
Qaul. Thank you. Okay. If you fit here sajada, and the dual will be sajada, and sajada here it will be yasjudu. So we have to take care about that zabar pesh.
سجد سجدتما سجدنا يسجدان تسجدان نسجد.
Singular, because in zabar pesh it is usjud.
أسجد okay أسجدوا
Usjud. Dual.
أسجدا لا تسجدا ساجدان ساجدين مسجودان مسجودين
Sajda.
سجدة okay.
Okay. So we have to go for practice into breakout room. Over to you, Doctor.